Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, in previous video, we have discussed about one of the important topics and in article writing, and the topic was harmful effects of eating junk food. Dear students, I hope you have watched the video and you must have written in your notebook. Today, one of the more topic I want to discuss with you, and from the same article writing, or it is also very important. As I have told you in previous videos of writing portion, that article writing is a very important question, and one long question will be of article writing in your exam. So the topic for today's discussion is importance of hard work and punctuality. Dear students, by Raman and Reina. So on this topic today we have to discuss. Dear students, as I have told you the format of article writing, first you have to write the topic or title, or after that, dear children, you have to write the name of person by Rima or Raman, whose name is given in the question, and then you have to write about the topic. Dear students, as you know that everybody wants to become a successful human being in his life, or everyone wants to reach at the top in his or her life. But to get the success, to become a successful human being, there are many factors. We have to focus on that. The person must be hardworking, the first important factor. The person must be very punctual, regular, disciplined, obedient, honest. So many factors are there to become a successful person, to reach at the peak in our life. But hard work is one of the most important factor. As it is said that hard work is key to success. We cannot expect a good success in our life without hard work. If a person is hardworking and he is determined towards his objective, whatever he has decided in his life, so he can achieve his target very easily. A child is advised to work hard so that he can achieve a good success, a good result in his life. A hardworking person is able to gain success and happiness in his life. It is often said, art is long and time is fleeting. Dear students, the second important thing is punctuality. Punctuality enables us to do a great deal of work in a short span of time. Punctuality is the most important characteristics of a successful person. A punctual person is able to complete his or her task timely. It is for the students also. It is for students and for everyone who wants to achieve, who wants to get success in his or her life. A student who wants to get success in his life, he must be hardworking or he must be punctual in order to achieve glory and success in his life. Punctuality increases our efficiency also. A punctual man, a hardworking man will be efficient. It helps our younger generation to build their career also, this punctuality. A punctual student, dear children, never misses any class. He attends all the classes regularly, or he is able to understand all the topics clearly and completely because of punctuality. Or one more important virtue which that student is having, that is hard work. Hard work with full dedication and with full devotion can help that person or that student to reach at the top and to achieve excellence in his or her life. Dear students, a child, dear student, who secures less marks can also become topper by working hard with full devotion and with full dedication. Average students can also do miracle, can also create, can give amazing result by hard work and by punctuality. So whatever I want to tell you, dear children, that you must do hard work. You must complete your work timely. The students should work hard to make their future bright. Maintaining punctuality in life shall make them disciplined also. Students must be taught to reach the school timely, to attend all the classes regularly. Or this punctuality characteristics can be developed with the help of teachers in school. A punctual students, dear students, gets love, respect in the family also, in society also, and everywhere. Lastly, I want to tell you, dear children, nothing is impossible for a hardworking and a punctual student and a punctual human being. So you should try to be punctual and hardworking. This is all about, dear children, for the today's topic. I hope you have understood. Thank you, dear children.